Hi everyone. Okay, so of course when I hit yes, I want to reboot, it of course shut down my computer, so it shut down the video. Okay, so now all it did was shut down, reboot. It came back and it asked me if I again want to allow the app to make changes, and now for some reason it's back to asking me what language I want. So I'm going to say okay, and it's going to say it's got something else to install. So I'm going to hit installation again. An update was detected which may affect Sage files. You should install this update, continue installing. I agree. Next, 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 typical, next. Okay, now it's serial number. So mine is 242, caps on P, 1, U, 2, 1, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Install. Okay, finish. Open Sage. Okay, activate now. I'm going to cancel whatever this is. Okay, welcome to Teams for some reason. I've already got Teams. Okay, so activate now. Okay, so company name, Beth Hadley. Oops, got my caps on. Serial number again, 242, caps P, 1, U, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Oops. Okay. So my key code, I tried hitting tab and it kind of hollered at me. So now I've got to put in the key code after using my mouse to move to that line. So again, it's 242 P 1 U 2 1 PU2, sorry, not a 1, PU2. So now I've got Q, P, 7, L, G, L, 2, F, 8, X, 890, V, U, W. All right, so hopefully I put it in correctly. Let's find out. Okay. It's looking good. Open a sample company. You can see restore from backup, select existing company, create a new company, open a sample company. Right now I'm going to open a sample company, but when we start using Sage, we're going to be, for the first time anyway, when we activate a file that I'm going to give you, we're going to restore from backup. And I'm going to give you instructions on that in the next unit. But so for now, let's open a sample company and make sure it works. Okay. Okay, and there's a date, and it always gives you a future date. I mean, if you were working in an actual session with a real company right now, you'd have probably today's date there, but all the files we're going to be working with are future dated. So, okay, and this is going to hopefully open Sage. Um, Virus protection is out of date, that's okay. Okay, Sage product enhancement, okay. And we have Sage 50 Premium Accounting version 2023 downloaded onto my computer. Hopefully this helps. Like I said, there are little quirks, and of course I've got 2 videos now instead of 1 because I did do the reboot, and of course it did cut off the Screen Pal, but that's okay. So you may see that with yours, and you may not. It might not ask to reboot. If you have any questions, please let me know. There's also going to be a document that's going to walk you through step by step, and hope this helps.